For many decades, the human species has been at war with the planet, and the planet is fighting back. And then the second is we must stop our war against nature, and science tells us that we can do it. We must limit global temperatures rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius, reach carbon neutrality by 2050, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 45% from 2010 levels by 2030. But let's be clear, until now, our efforts to reach these targets have been utterly inadequate. Political will to put a price on carbon, political will to stop subsidies on fossil fuels, political will to stop building coal power plants from 2020 onwards, political will to shift taxation from income to carbon, taxing pollution instead of people. We simply have to stop digging and drilling and take advantage of the vast possibilities offered by renewable energy and nature-based solutions. J'espère que l'Union européenne, dans son ensemble, puisse le faire le plus rapidement possible, et j'espère que l'Europe soit un pilier fondamental de la négociation globale. Et si l'Europe réussit à cet objectif de neutralité carbone pour tous les pays européens, ça donnera à l'Europe une autorité morale très importante pour permettre que cette négociation globale puisse être un succès.